Well-known technical expert of BSE and founder CEO of Economics Shushil Kedia Sahab has joined us in the program. Shushil ji, good morning. You are very welcome. Sir, tell me, what is your mood on the market at this time? Are you bullish, bearish or neutral? At the time of trading, you are ready to short sell. At the time of investment, you are confused about where to get the money from. There are so many stocks to buy that the short-term view is a little bearish and the long-term is completely bullish. Right, sir, so which one will you tell first? So let's talk about the short term first. Yes, there was a huge rally in Bank Nifty because global tariff wars and global mess will not affect the banks. Look, the mind finds excuses. The mind finds excuses to accept whatever is happening. The banks had been beaten up blanket and they were put back on their feet. You have seen that sometimes when many people beat someone on the road, he falls down completely exhausted. He is made to stand on his legs. So the move that has come on the chart right now on Bank Nifty, we consider it a connector move. This is not a long-term trend. And the bearish candle that was formed yesterday in Bank Nifty, it is possible that yesterday's top has been formed. It is possible that after yesterday's rollover, after today's rollover, a top may be formed tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or say on Monday. We are close to the top. I will come to you every Tuesday and Thursday with that trade with a stop loss of 100 points. Then both the right and wrong will be there. The main thing is that in the next fall, I see Bank Nifty falling a lot. Led by private banks. HDFC Bank may lose 300 rupees. A CC Bank may lose 250 rupees. Axis Bank may fall by 400 rupees. Such falls are possible, and those who get excited and start trolling will do what they know how to do. In this coming fall, if this fall of Bank Nifty works out, we will refrain from shorting public sector banks, because it is often not possible to play with both left and right hands like Arjun. So whatever shorting we have to do, we will do it in private banks, so that if a higher bottom is formed in public sector banks, on the next fall, Bank Nifty can also fall by 2, 3, 4,000 points, 5,000, 6,000 points. In Bank Nifty, we will do a big rally in public sector banks for the long term. We are interesting, so Bank Nifty is looking the worst and there can be weakness here. Sir, if Bank Nifty falls by 5-6,000 points, then Nifty will also suffer a decline. So is the short view negative on Nifty as well? So see, as we discussed last time, Nifty reaches 24,100-200, after which it comes back to 23,100-200, and then we will decide whether to make it a new low without showing a move towards 25,000. So, look at it in terms of calculation. Now all the layers, this is a broad thing that can be understood. It is an onion, but how many layers are there in this onion? We will keep peeling them, then we will know. So, let's see once. Nifty also has views till 23,100. The shorting trade is now coming in place. And it is possible that the way IT was showing strength yesterday, it is possible that Sun Pharma, Dr. Red S also shows strength. So, it is possible that some contradiction may be formed on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And Nifty comes down after showing some pride. It does not come easily, and the simple bearishness, we will get it in Bank Nifty. We will see how anil G pays out. And now a correction seems to be in front. There is a short-term correction in Nifty and INR. Now sir, tell us the long-term picture and what is the view in that. So look at postponement or delay of justice, denial of justice. These are all general social dialogues in the market, so delay is determination. So if this PSU basket is completely delayed, defense is completely delayed, now reversals are working out in them one by one. In consumer stocks, in FMCG stocks, one by one, a good uptrend is being formed in all of them, which we have talked about many times. Now if PDL, Pi Industries, all these stocks are also joining in it. Asian Paints is not showing any sign of decreasing. Now in your auto accessories like BS, Mr. F, CA Tires, or even, some stocks of the side pocket, like Cyan, long-term reversal is coming in them. Or if reversals are forming in the smaller pharma stocks like Glenmark or Gland Pharma, then very selectively on the investment book, as the reversal breakout patterns are being found, there we have a reasonable insensitivity of 5% to 7% that there is no point in looking at the price of 5 to 7%. There is a move of 100% to 200% in a year. In such stocks, we will ignore the index and maintain our Diwali attitude. Well, you will get opportunities in terms of investment and buy it in the fall that comes this time. But sir, this gold has made people sleepless. It has taken away their sleep. Now it has also reached close to 1 lakh. What next? Now what? So see Anil G, we could not catch the last move of $00 in gold, and while catching it, there will be corrections of dollar in between. In that fear, we had decided to leave it. When its move seems to be completed, then we will resume the trade of short selling in it. In the last 2 days, the price fell by $50 from the top price. A fall of 6% in just 2 days looks very scary. But considering the level of volatility, 6% is not an extreme thing. But such large volatility at such extreme price levels and closing down for 2 consecutive days has definitely triggered the stop loss of the long trader. Now, as far as shorting is concerned, if the futures on the COMEX close below $320 tonight, we will increase our short selling in gold from tomorrow. We had a very small short position yesterday and the stop loss for tonight is 33.20. If it goes above that, it will be cut, otherwise we will increase the short position of gold from tomorrow. Once, twice, thrice, whatever stop loss has to be applied, one will have to stick to one line only. Only Arjun had the boon of trying to play with both hands. We don't have it. We are right. But sir, can we do something like this? Sell gold and buy silver. According to you, is such a trade possible? Anil G, it is like this. In the case of both wife and income, the more one keeps his mind simple, the more you will win. It is not necessary that by complicating things, things will become sophisticated. Gold has given extreme outperformance in the last 101 days as compared to silver, and generally silver acts like a small cap stock and gold acts like a large cap. But in the atmosphere of global fear, the opposite happened, that gold became a bit excessive. But the long-term nature of silver is that it fluctuates more than gold. So, right now there is no possibility of any ratio trade or pair trade. The structures of both are bearish, and if gold had become overstretched in this global fear trade, then we would like to keep our thinking firmly that we should not sell gold after buying silver. If the turn comes to sell gold, then silver will definitely be sold along with it. Right now, no one should take such an adventure. Are you saying? Tell me any stock which is screaming at you to sell it or to buy it? So look, people will find our words controversial, and it is possible that today trolls will get a big opportunity after many days. And I am deliberately saying this with a little clove of chili so that the effect of the statement is that the chart of Bajaj Twins is saying that they can fall up to 50%. And those who are surprised or shocked to hear this, look at the old historical data. Their top came in 2021, in the next 6 months they fell by 47 to 48%, and at that time there was a correction of 15% in Nifty. Both of these got corrected by 47 to 48%, and how quickly people forget things. After that, there was a rebound in them, then after 6 months they again fell by 35% in a span of 4 months within 4 months. So a 50% correction in Bajaj TS sounds surprising. But now these stocks have become 50 baggers in 10 years due to 10 years of continuous one-sided unbridled growth. Now they have reached 25 from 2021. There has been no return. If there is 5% upside in 4 years from the top of 2021, then these stocks have not been giving returns for 4 years, and the structure of the chart is such that it is issuing an invitation to come and sell to me. And when no one is ready to sell it, rather people will get angry on hearing about selling. Then we suggested to our clients that the work which no one wants to do, and the charts are screaming that this pattern is going to roll down like butter in 4 to 5 months, then this is a trade worth doing, and how will it fit? If Bajaj Prince falls so much, then will Nifty also have to fall by 25%? It is not necessary, brother. In the 15% Nifty correction, it has fallen by 45% in 2021. If they fall a lot, then your IT and pharma stocks will get more space to grow. Then your Geo Financial Services and other ATs will get a place to grow strongly in the index. So some will fall and some will rise. Keep pushing your own intelligence that how can Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance fall? So we will tell you the stocks after they fall. Look, we fell like this. How can we fall? We will tell you about them after they fall. So these are two, and then in a little reasonable short selling, a stock like B may fall by 250 rupees from here, which has not fallen at all. So there are different types of stocks which are in the list of short selling right now. B and Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance are my focus today. Next week we will tell you about some more stocks. That is absolutely right. And let me inform you that Bajaj Finance is a short-selling stock. Stock split and bonus is also happening. There is a meeting on the 29th. That is without counting it. If we adjust 50% in actual, then what will be the price? Yes, what does it mean to be 50% below the bonus? Yes, exactly, that is what I am saying. Anil G, let me tell you one thing on that also. Yesterday I was talking to a very learned person. He runs a very big fund. He is a very sharp man. I cannot take his name. He said, friend, the bonus will be included in this. It will be split. So he said, brother, sell more. With the bonus, capital tax will not be levied on the bonus shares. And the supply of goods will come and the supply of goods will come. That is right. It was the old era when there was less understanding in the market. When 25 years ago the prices used to increase on bonus. Now the share price falls even more on bonus. Correct, that is absolutely right. This is the opinion for you. K Sahab. Many thanks for giving your time and in detail you have presented your opinion on the market in many stock sectors in front of our viewers. This was The View. We will meet you again next week. Thank you very much for today. The cash option is ready. Bugle from J. Thacker.